Hey butterflies, welcome back. Today I'm doing a video on how I make my own coffee creamer, and it's the dulce de leche flavor, and it's so easy. It's 4 ingredients and so yummy. And the great thing about doing this is, one, you're controlling the ingredients and how much sugar and all that stuff yourself. But once you get the base done, you can make it so many different ways. So it's so fun. I will look for where I got the original recipe and link it down below. If I can't, I'll just write it out and link it down below. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is for the creme brulee flavor. You need 1.5 cups of milk. I don't drink milk regularly, so I freeze 1.5 cups into bags, and then when I need to make more creamer, I just pull one out the day before. That way you're not wasting money. A can of evaporated milk. I use evaporated milk because it's cheaper than sweetened condensed, and then I can control all of the sugar that goes into it. You're gonna need a 1/2 cup of brown sugar and 1 to 2 tablespoons of pure vanilla extract. I would start with 1, and then if it's not enough flavor for you, then go to 2. So you just need a saucepan, and you're gonna put these into the saucepan and put it on medium and put the brown sugar in there until it's dissolved. And once it's dissolved, you turn it off and add your vanilla, and you're done. It's really that simple. Okay, once everything is dissolved, you're going to turn the heat off. Take it off the heat. And then we are going to put in our vanilla extract. So I'm just going to use a tablespoon because that's what I like. Oh, I'm going to use literally the last, or just under a tablespoon. And then you're gonna whisk that in. Okay, so then you're gonna get some sort of jar, quart size, and oops, you may see that there is a little bit of the sugar on the bottom. As it cools, as it didn't fully dissolve, that's okay, just take your whisk, it's warm enough. Big thing, you don't want this to come to a boil because you don't want to curdle your milk. And then I have these fun mason jar tops that have a cute little handle, and then I can pour it. And so you're gonna let this cool, put a lid on it. I will link this in the description below from Amazon. And yeah, so this is your creamer, super versatile. And yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.